There's one more. Where's that one more monkey?
I'm telling you.
Where's last? I'm gonna tell you.
Oh, that is terrifying. That is terrifying. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I missed.
I'm about to punch a wall again.
Yummy.
Happy as
Oh my god, I can hear you right behind me.
They're trying to use the violence. Gotcha.
It's so terrifying at the speed you go at.
Oh yeah, are you good at the game, my dude?
Monkey by shiny rock. Monkey by shiny rock.
I could find you.
Does anyone?
I'm bigger than everybody. I say stop in there. I say stop. Hey, you look at my golden mouse. I swear. You see golden. You see stump. Do you see stump? Look at my golden mouse. See stump. I swear.
Does anyone want to get kicked? What is that? By me? No, I'm small. I don't want to be kicked. No, thank you. Slow? You're just going to join us. How do we stop? I called it. The godly target while surfing skill. This is train. Oh, shoot. Oh no, my pee. I regret my decision. I'm dead. I had a horrible side move. Wait, I got little legs. Stop. What? Small monkey has secret. I know I'm gonna beat him up.
If I hit secret
yeah.
today, I'm gonna run over 15 innocent children.
Oh my
You
god,
cannot tag
it's
me.
so
You can't
hot.
tag me. You're a bitch. You're a pussy. You're a bitch. Fuck you. Can't tag me, loser.
Those talks. Words. Can't tag me, you tag. That's normal. Fuck you. That's why I never be
Hey,
mean.
peace out, bro.
Cute. Oh my god. I lost my size. I was supposed to be ginormous. Now I'm like a little midget. Oh. I'm small. I don't like being small. Being small makes me sad. I don't like being small. Alright, now I can see that. Oh my god. Am I big? You
They didn't make this a game mode, bro. That's how fun it is.
Oh my god, I'm so fast. Gotta go fast.
Am I big? I mean, like, the biggest tree's small compared to me, so.
You're so fast.
I'm gonna go check near. Bye-bye.
God, this
Come here, Black. Coming for Black.
Shoot.
Oh shit!
Fuck. you're going, buddy.
Gotta go fast.
Come here.
I want to see more. Gotta go fast.
Fuck you,
Run.
bitch.
Gotta go fast.
Fuck you.
Go fast. Come on, but you can't hide. Oh shoot.
Fred, I'm right behind you.
Oh.
Wait a sec.
Come here.
I really hate this. Fuck you.
Good job.
I really hate this like April Fool's prank. I don't think this is even a prank anymore. Say I if you like this update or like this. I.
Bro, what? You can hear me better, right?
Okay. Can you guys explain why you guys liked it? I'm coming for you, White. White.
Are you
White.
Oh my
God,
god,
no way I did it.
I'm a yes. Dang it. 1 second.
Is anybody Arabic here? In this lobby?
Holy Santa Claus!
Is anybody Arabic in this lobby? I can finally stop in the slide!
Yes.
How do you do that?
You don't hear me?
How'd you get there? Can you come teach me?
Yeah, that's
Epic, have to go through the big slide? Bro, I'm gonna do competitive front row but backwards.
the backwards way. Time to do it backwards, boys! Lava monkey.
Yes! Bro! I don't need to do this anymore.
What you gonna
I could just do this.
It might take us out. Let's see.
Yo, we're large. We're large.
I got double digits.
Yo, let's just play tag without this
Just go this
nonsense. Stop getting outside the map, bro. Dude, it's so annoying.
Oh no!
Annoying. That's annoying sound.
Oh, crap. I didn't realize how easy this is gonna be now.
Wait, blue. My small. My small.
Huh? Alright, what do you mean? Where is that?